Hello, in this video I am going to introduce Wikipedia Analytics, which is a tool used for extracting data from Wikipedia tables. Looking at many Wikipedia articles, we realize that there are much tables there which can be used to extract new facts, but there is no automated tool for doing this. So we created Wikipedia Analytics. In this video I am going to demonstrate how to use this tool by some examples. First step, I register. Then I log into the website. And here I am in the dashboard. As a first example, I am going to create some chart to show the correlation between the GDP per capita and life expectancy of countries. To do that, I first create a table to import data for GDP per capita. Now it lists all the tables in this article. As you can see, there's one full table and 3 empty tables, and it has found all the tables. So I select the first table and click next. Now it lists all the fields in this table and allows me to include or not include the fields in the table, and also choose labels and identifier names for the fields. So I exclude rank, include country, then change the label of third field to GDP, which is the integer field, and then exclude here. Then I click next. Now I can decide which rows to include. So I choose every row except first row, so row from 2 to row 186. I click next. So it created the table, and the table is here. As you can see, the table is imported from the Wikipedia. So I create my second table, which is the table for life expectancy. So I exclude rank, change the label of country and the variable name for country, change the label of this, and exclude these two fields. Then I click next, and I include every row except the first row. So the table is imported, and I can see it here. So the next task is to join these two tables to create one table. So I created a new table named GDP versus life, which is the join of GDP and life expectancy tables, and their join is on fields country. So I create GDP versus life table and it's created. As you can see, this table contains every country along with the GDP and life expectancy for that country. So I have the required data and I go on and create a chart. So I go to create charts table and create chart. So I create a chart for GDP versus life table. The type of chart is scatter chart. I use GDP for categories and life expectancy as series and create chart. It created successfully and now I can see it. Now we can see it, which is rendered using Google Charts. As you can see, using this tool is very simple. As a next step, I am going to create a geochart for the population of the world. So I import population data from Wikipedia. I find the article containing the table, then paste it here and choose the table and choose the fields I am interested in. Now I go to Charts tab, create chart. Choose population table, chart, categories country, and field series population. I go to dashboard and here I can see the geo chart for the population of the world. Okay.